Hello lovely, welcome back to my channel. I hope you guys are doing amazing. So what did I have for you guys today? I have natural cake for you guys today. Very simple and delicious. Here I have my 2 egg, my yogurt, natural yogurt I'm going to use today, my sugar. So I pour everything to the bowl. I'm just going to mix it together before I add the rest ingredient into it. Mix very well to be well combined, guys. It was very simple and delicious. So cake is full of messy. It's not a problem. Just for a few minutes, just keep on mixing before you add the rest things into the mixing bowl. So yeah, I keep on mixing, guys. Let me know what you think about the recipe down below. Don't forget to leave that comment there. So yeah, I have my flour. I'm just going to stiff it with a baking powder. I'm going to stiff everything together. It's good to sift flour before using it. It make it easy when you are mixing it. So I'm done with the sifting. I'm just going to keep on mixing. Keep on watching, guys, as demonstrating on the video. I'm going to add my oil on it right now. So I already poured the oil into the bowl. I still repeat the same thing. Cake is full of mixing. Just mix until it is well combined. Guys, if you watch me to this moment, I really appreciate. Don't forget to subscribe, like, share to friends and family. This is healthy cake, of course. So you don't have to go to the shop to buy sugar. Do it at home by yourself and know what to put there for the family. So keep on mixing, guys. Guys, we are done with the mixing. You can see how fluffy it look. So here is my baking pan. I just put baking paper also to make it easy when the cake is already baked. I'm going to put butter on it to make it more easy. I'm just going to rub butter everywhere in the baking paper to make it easy. When I'm done with that, when I'm done with this, I just pour the cake inside the pan. This cake will go for 180 degree for 30 to 35 minutes, guys. It's very simple and delicious. So here I have my cake. I'm going to pour it into the pan. So we're almost done, guys. Keep on watching. Our cake is ready, guys. Look at this. It look amazing. Wow, look at the color. Look at how beautiful the color are. So let's see what we have inside. I hope it tastes amazing also. I hope so. Let's check it together and test it together. I hope you are ready. So I have my knife here. I'm just going to cut a little pieces of cake and tell you what we have here, guys. But it looks so beautiful and the smell amazing also. Look at the smell that is coming out from the cake. Look at it. It was really fluffy. Wow. So let me cut a little more pieces and test it and let you guys know what we have here. It was really delicious. Thank you.